You know, baby, I know you think we can make it all work out, but I gotta tell it like it is. And I don't wanna make this any harder than it needs to be, so don't cry.